Hey y'all, I'm Anna the Archer. It's September, it's Tree Stand Safety Awareness Month. And Fred Bear said it best. He said if you're hunting out of a tree stand, you have got to make sure to have the proper safety equipment, including a cord to raise and lower your equipment. So here at Bear Archery, we want to make sure that you stay safe this hunting season and you always come home to your friends and family after a tree stand hunt. So if y'all want to follow along through the ABCs of tree stand safety awareness. A, always check your stand. Make sure your equipment is in proper working order. B, buckle your safety harness. You want to have a full body harness like I do right here. It is buckled in and we're ready to roll. And C, you want to make sure to connect yourself to that tree before your feet ever leave that ground. So you want to make sure to have this safety line or this lifeline in your tree, and then you're ready to go hunting and you're clipped in before your feet ever leave the ground, so you stay safe the entire time. Now I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and make sure to share it with your hunting buddies and stay safe out there and have a great deer season, y'all. Bye.